What's up guys, Mike from Pizza in the Sack here, and today we're going to make another one of my favorite seasonal side dishes in the Ooni pizza oven, Green Bean Casserole. Let's get started. For starters, you'll need about 300 grams of fresh cut green beans. We're going to top these and we're going to cut them into 2 or 3. Give them a quick wash and add them to some salted boiling water to par cook for about 5 minutes. To make the simple recipe a bit more exciting, we're going to add some fresh mushrooms. Cut about 3 to 4 into cubes. This adds some really nice texture. Along with the cream of the mushroom soup and the French onions, it creates almost like a meaty flavor to the dish. Now the 5 minutes are up on the beans, drain these and add to a large mixing bowl. Keeping the beans warm will help bind the other ingredients together. Add the mushrooms, 5 ounces of cream of mushroom soup, 4 to 5 ounces of whole milk, and a generous amount of fresh ground pepper, a sprinkle of salt, and a good handful of French fried onions. Give it a good stir. Don't worry about the excess liquid here, as that'll evaporate in the Ooni oven while it's cooking. Coat your cast iron skillet with butter first, then pour the casserole mixture directly inside. The beauty of this dish is you can prepare it the night before and keep it in the fridge overnight. When you're ready to cook, cover with aluminum foil and preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. Place the pan farthest away from the flame as possible and turn the flame all the way down to low. Set a timer for 20 minutes and turn the pan toward the flame every 5 minutes. At the 20-minute mark, simply remove the foil and add a generous handful of French fried onions to the top. Return the pan to the Ooni and cook for 2 to 5 minutes until the onions on top are nice and golden brown. There you have it guys, beautifully crispy green bean casserole cooked today in the Ooni Code of 16. Thanks for watching with me today guys on this beautiful California day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below for more great videos from Ooni Pizza Ovens. Happy holidays.